All right, let's look at the homework 8.4, 8.5, problem number 14. All right, so we're going to use the integration by parts to evaluate this integral here. All right, so let's do that. All right, so integration by parts. So we're going to let u be x and the dv to be the rest of it. So it's going to be a sine of 7x dx. All right, so going through the usual drills, take the derivative of u with respect to x, which is going to be equal to 1. Then multiply through by dx to get the du. So du is actually same thing as dx, right? Then here we're going to divide through by dx, so we get the dv over dx is equal to sine of 7x. All right, and to find v, we just have to take the antiderivative. So antiderivative of sine of 7x is a cosine of 7x, actually it's going to be negative, over 7. Right? You can double check if you take the derivative of this. Derivative of cosine of 7x is going to be negative sine of 7x times 7, and 7 cancel out, so you're going to have a sine of 7x. Right? So we have that. So we need u, and we need v, and also du. Right, so this is equal to uv, so it's going to be negative x over 7 cosine of 7x, right, then minus integral of v du. So there's a negative sign here, so I'm going to incorporate that and turn it into a positive sign. Then you have a cosine of 7x over 7 dx. All right. Then so we just have to evaluate that guy. So it's going to be equal to, right, so it's a negative x over 7 cosine of 7x. That part is already finished, so we just have to find the antiderivative. So antiderivative cosine of 7x is going to be sine of 7x over 7, but there's another 7 which was already there, so 7 times 7 is 49. Right, then plus some constant c. Right, so this is the answer. So let's type this guy in. All right, then answer we found was negative and x over 7. Right, and cosine, let's see, cosine of 7x. Right, 7x, right, plus sine of 7x over 49 plus c. Right, so let's type it in and let's submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.